How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the option for account privacy, so go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for private account, and now only approved followers will be able to see your followers or following list, and strangers will not be able to see your followers or your following list. The next method is you can simply remove your follower that you don't want to see your list. So open Instagram and then go to your profile and tap on the followers option you see there, and then go ahead and open the profile of the follower you do not want to see in your following list, and then tap on the remove option and they will not be able to see your followers or following list. Or simply you can open their profile and tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. You will see the block option there. Go ahead and block them completely, and with this they will not be able to see your followers or following list at all. So this is how you can hide your followers or following list. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.